So in this video, we'll solve an interview question that I was asked. So we are given two variables. One stores the number of rows, and the other one stores the number of columns. So in this matrix, you can see there are four rows and eight columns. So uh, the number of rows and columns are stored in two different variables. Let's say x and y. Let's say x is 4 and y is the column variable, that is 8. And with these two variables we have to create this matrix of 1 and 0. So let's see how we can do that. So first we'll just iterate in the range of the row, that is x, and let's iterate in columns as well. So for each row I will be the iterator, and for each column dj would be the iterator after that. It's a range of y. And so we all know that in matrix we have this row and column kind of combination. So let's say if I want to know the position of 0, so it is stored inside first row and second column. So so the position can be 1 by 2. 1 states the number of row and 2 shows the number of column. So if I look to the pattern, I can say that 1 is stored in the odd places and 0 is stored in the even places for row number 1, and it's vice versa for the row number 2. So the alternate row, it changes the place of 0 and 1. Let's say if the 0 was stored in the even places for first row, it goes to the odd places in second row, then again comes at the even place in third row. So like that. So when the number of row is odd, the position of 1 is odd, and the number of row is even, the position of 1 is even. So like this we can understand. So we can do this I plus j to get the position where we are iterating. Let's put this inside bracket, and if it is divisible by 2, then we'll print 0. uh, Else we'll just print 1. So if we print this, we'll not get this matrix. So let's create two list. So you can see that it is a matrix. So let's create a matrix variable, which is nothing but a list, and let's create a row variable, which is again a list. So for each row, we are going to perform this iteration. So let's store this 0 inside the row list, and let's do the same thing here. So what we are doing is we are storing for every j iteration, we are storing everything inside the row variable. Okay. And as soon as the j has done the iteration for that single row, we'll just make the row empty and we'll start again for the next row. After that, we'll store everything inside the matrix variable. So what we are going to store, so a matrix is the combination of rows and columns. So it should be a combination of row list. Okay, I think it looks good. So let's print this matrix. If I run this, I'm getting this list in the form of. So let me iterate this. Into for I in matrix. squint the eye. Yeah, we got the required matrix. So this was a simple question asked in interview, but it might be little tricky if you are not practicing on a daily basis. So, yeah, that was it. If you found this informative and if you like this, if you found this helpful, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel as I keep on posting new DSA questions and interview questions that I have faced in my interviews, coding questions that I have faced in my interviews.